Want to know something that might shock you? 3 out of 4 men over 50 struggle with getting firm erections. But here's what most guys don't realize. It's not always about low testosterone or blood flow problems. There's a hidden group of muscles that most men have never heard of. These muscles act like a natural grip around your penis, locking blood in place when you need it most. But just like your biceps or chest muscles, if you don't use them, they get weak. I'm Dr. Olivia Brooks, and today I'm going to show you 5 simple stretches that can help restore the firmness you used to have. These aren't complicated gym moves. You can do them right at home in just 5 minutes a day. The best part, research shows these exercises work for 40% of men who try them, giving them normal function back. Another third, see major improvements. That's better results than many expensive treatments. Stay with me because the last stretch I'll show you is the game changer that most men skip, but it's the one that can make the difference between okay results and amazing ones. The hidden muscles that control your erections. Let me explain what's really happening down there. Your pelvic floor muscles wrap around the base of your penis like a natural ring. When these muscles are strong, they squeeze the veins tight, trapping blood inside your penis during an erection. But here's the problem. As we get older, these muscles get weaker. Add in sitting at a desk all day, stress, and lack of exercise, and these muscles basically go to sleep. When that happens, blood flows in, but flows right back out again. It's like trying to fill a bucket with a hole in the bottom. The good news is these muscles respond incredibly well to the right kind of training. Men in their 60s and 70s have seen their firmness come back after just a few weeks of doing these moves. Stretch number 1, the pelvic rock. Let's start with the foundation move. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor, about hip width apart. Put your arms at your sides, palms down. Now, gently pull your belly button toward your spine and press your lower back into the floor. At the same time, tilt your pelvis up slightly. You should feel your deep muscles tighten. Hold this for 3 to 5 seconds, breathing normally, then slowly relax. This move is teaching your brain how to connect with these hidden muscles. Many men don't even know these muscles exist until they start this exercise. Stretch number 2, the front body opener. For this one, lie face down on a comfortable surface with your legs straight. Put your elbows directly under your shoulders like you're about to read a book. Lift your chest slightly off the ground, keeping your neck neutral. Now, gently pull your belly button toward your spine and lightly contract those pelvic muscles like you're stopping yourself from urinating. This stretch is unique because it's doing 2 things at once. It's opening up tight muscles in the front of your body from all that sitting while strengthening the deep stabilizing muscles at the same time. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, breathing steadily. Don't hold your breath. Oxygen is crucial for muscle function. Repeat 3 to 4 times with short rests between. Men who do this regularly report less lower back tension and a stronger connection to their pelvic muscles during intimate moments. It's like upgrading the wiring between your brain and your body. Stretch number 3, the core connector. Get on your hands and knees in a tabletop position. Hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Keep your spine straight, not arched up or sagging down. Take a slow breath out through your mouth. As you exhale, gently pull your belly button toward your spine and contract your pelvic floor muscles. Imagine lifting your testicles or drawing those deep muscles upward. Hold for 3 to 5 seconds while breathing normally. Then slowly release. What makes this exercise so powerful is how it links breathing with muscle control. You're training both endurance and coordination, 2 things that directly help you last longer and stay firm. Start with 10 to 15 reps, moving slowly and with complete focus. Quality matters way more than quantity here. As you get better, increase the hold time to 7 or even 10 seconds. Stretch number 4, the bridge push apart. Lie on your back with knees bent at 90 degrees, feet about a foot from your buttocks. Press your heels into the floor and lift your hips up, forming a straight line from shoulders to knees. Now here's the key part. While holding that bridge position, gently push your knees outward like you're trying to spread the floor apart. Then bring them back to center with control. This move is incredible because it works multiple muscle groups at once. You're strengthening your pelvic floor, firing up your glutes, the largest muscles in your body, and targeting stabilizers that are often neglected. When these muscles are weak, blood flow to your pelvic region gets compromised. But when they're strong, they act like auxiliary pumps, helping drive fresh blood where you need it most. Start with 8 to 10 reps, holding each outward push for 2 to 3 seconds. Keep your core engaged to prevent your back from arching. Work up to 15 to 20 reps as you get stronger. Stretch number 5, the game changer, the rocking frog. Here's the move most men skip, but it's the one that can take your results from good to great. Get on your hands and knees, then slowly widen your knees as far as is comfortable. Turn your feet outward so your inner thighs are open. Lower down onto your forearms, keeping your spine neutral. You should feel a deep stretch through your inner thighs and groin. Now, gently rock your hips forward and back in a slow rhythmic motion. This stretch does something no other exercise can do. It deeply opens the muscles that often become chronically tight from sitting and stress. When these tissues are tight, they create a tourniquet effect that restricts blood flow. By gently opening these muscles while moving dynamically, you allow blood to flow more freely and stay where you need it. The rocking motion is crucial. It doesn't just stretch. It improves circulation and trains your muscles to work in harmony. Spend 30 to 40 seconds in this position, moving gently with your breath. Don't force it. Let your body relax into the stretch. Repeat 3 times with 20, 30-second breaks. Many men notice a clear difference in firmness and sensitivity after adding this stretch to their routine. Some describe it as awakening their pelvic region for the first time in years. Your path back to confidence. Here's what you need to know. These aren't quick fixes or magic tricks. They're proven exercises that systematically retrain your body to hold blood flow and give you more control. The key is consistency. Just 5 to 10 minutes a day, less time than you spend checking your phone, can lead to noticeable improvements in 2 to 4 weeks. More dramatic results typically come after 2 to 3 months of regular practice. Research shows that 75% of men who stick with pelvic floor exercises see improvement in their erectile function. That's not just firmness. We're talking about better control, increased sensitivity, and more confidence in the bedroom. These exercises boost bladder control, cut nighttime bathroom trips, and support masculine vitality. My tip: do them daily at the same time. Many men succeed by practicing in the morning or before bed. Track your progress. Notice better firmness, control, and confidence. Stay consistent daily because it's never too late to strengthen these muscles and reclaim your sexual health. This is Dr. Olivia Brooks reminding you, taking control of your health is powerful. These 5 stretches are your first step to feeling strong, confident, and youthful again. Share this with a friend and remember, you have more control over your sexual health than you